zeros. Now let us see the next large number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 0 are there. And in international also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 0 are there. Okay. So how we will read this large number according to Indian place value chart? Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. So this we will read as 10 crores. Okay, on the other side, if we read the same number according to international place value chart, so ones, tens, 100, then comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then comma, after 1000 there is million period, so million, 10 million and 100 million. So it means it is 100 million. So what this 809 digit number shows that 10 crore is equal to 100 million. So this is our 9 digit number in which there are 8 zeros. So we can say in 10 crore there are 8 0, or we can say in 100 million there is 8 0. Now let us see the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit number it is, and it having 9 zeros. On the international also it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit is it, and there is 9 0. So according to Indian place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now till 10 crore it is. After 10 crore, either you will move this number to the next period. You can say either Arab or it is 100 crore. So we will read this number as 100 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore and 100 crore. Let us see how it is 100 crore. As we know, the number of digits in a whole number increased by 1. The value of the leftmost place becomes 10 times that of its neighbor. It means the value of the leftmost place become 10 times more than that of its right place value. So before this number was 10 crore. In 10 crore there were 8 zeros, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8 zeros and 1 digit. So 9 digit number it is. Now here in 100 crore there are 10 digits. So this one is leftmost place of this all 9 digits. So it is 10 times more than of this number. So 10 crores into 10 is equal to 10 tens are 100 crores, which is the value of leftmost place value digit. So the next number will be of 100 crore. 10 tens are 100 crore. So after 10 crore this will be 100 crore. Similarly 10 lakh into 10 means 1 crore. As in 1 crore, 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is 1 crore. So 1 crore means 10 lakh, the next value is 10 lakh into 10. So we will take 10 lakh into 10, which becomes 1 crore, or we can say it is as 100 lakhs. 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 100 lakhs. In international system, 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now million period is over, the next period is billion. So it is 1 billion. 1 billion. It means 100 crore is equal to 1 billion. And there are 9 zeros. In 100 crore there is 9 zero, or we can say in 1 billion there is 9 zero. One more thing, students, this 1 crore is also equal to 100 lakh. Okay, 1 crore is equal to 100 lakh. For example, you can see this crore period, 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So after 10 lakh crore means 100 lakh comes 1 crore. So 100 lakh means 1 crore. So students, this was the reading way of large number in both the place value chart, either it is Indian system and international system, how we read the same large number according to the different place value charts. I have explained here. So students, in my next video we will start with the exercise work based on this. Now for today you just revise all these things whatever I have told you and whatever I have explained in this video.